In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add 5 additional revenue streams to your Etsy business, and some of these you can do within 24 hours or less. Now, there's one I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit later that I'm really excited to share with you, because with a little bit of work and a little bit more time, this can turn into a passive income stream, which actually doesn't require you to sell any more products. We've actually implemented this in my wife's Etsy shop and is generating us over $1,100 per month passively every single month. So with that all being said, let's dig in. All right, so the very first one that I want to talk about is a platform very similar to Etsy, and all you need to do is add your products to this platform. And you might have already guessed it. The platform is eBay. And I know eBay has always been known as, well, you go there and you find used items, but it has evolved over the years. And get this, there's 138 million active users on eBay. And most of these people are based in the US. And it's been reported that in 2022, eBay did $9.7 billion in sales. Now, of course, you want to go to eBay and see if there's anyone selling anything similar to what you are, so at least you know that there is an opportunity there for you. But in some cases, it might just not be there because people haven't posted it there yet. So it might be a bigger opportunity for you than you even know. So here's what I would do. I would go over to eBay and I would put in the search bar, just like you would in Etsy or any other search engine, and I would put your product in there. So in this case, if we were going after moon phases wall hanging, then I would put that in right here. Now, there's one little hack here that you can actually look at completed listings or sold listings. So this way here, you can see if your products or your type of products are even selling. So what you do is you go over here on the left-hand side and you go all the way down to the bottom, and this is on desktop, obviously, and you go into show only completed items, sold items, and then you select those two. And then from there, you will be able to see the products that have sold. So you can see we have looks like a tapestry. We have a wall hanging here. So all of the things that are related to that search are going to be here. But what's most important is these have sold, and that's the most important thing. So this is a great opportunity for you to just take your existing products and put them on another platform. So this is something you can do like right now, or when you get done watching this video, and you can have these listed in the next 24 hours. And what I would do is I would pick your top sellers on Etsy, and then I would put them on eBay and just test it and see what happens. And once again, we're just reaching another audience with a product that we already have created, and we're putting it on another platform that gets a lot of views per month. All right, so let's move on to the second revenue stream that you can add to your Etsy business. And that is doing the same exact thing, but now looking at Amazon.com. Now, I'm not talking about Amazon merch, which you could do that, but what I'm talking about is, what if you were to take your items, put them up there on Amazon, and then from there, you would fulfill the orders. And the way that you would fulfill the orders is the same as you would if you were doing a personalization. Now, I'm not gonna get into all the nitty gritty there, but just understand that Amazon is a massive platform. And right now, they have reported over 300 million active users. Now, this is not something that I hear a lot of people talking about, but I do hear people talking about Amazon merch, which is an option if you're just selling those t-shirts or those types of items. But what I'm talking about is FBM, and that is fulfilled by merchant, which would be you. You can also do something called FBA, and that is fulfilled by Amazon. That is where you would have to ship your items in to Amazon, and then they would ship them. But what I would recommend doing is FBM. And what this is you fulfilling those orders. So if someone places the order, you would then fill it. So you would have to go over to your print-on-demand supplier. In our case, it's Printify, and we would then have to fulfill that order and then ship it to the right address. That's how you would do that. But Amazon is another huge platform that all we're doing is taking our existing products and putting them up on another platform that has active users. So let me just call a quick little timeout, because I don't want you thinking that you have to do all of these. These are just opportunities that are really, really easy for you to take your existing products and put them up on another platform that is getting traffic. And the cool thing is everything that you need to create these listings on these other platforms has already been created. You already have done it on Etsy. So you're really just copy and pasting over to another platform with a little bit of tweaking. And did you hear that number that I said? 300 million active users. Crazy. All right, so the third revenue stream that I'm going to be discussing with you will also allow you to do number 4 and number 5. So it's really important that you understand that this next one will require a little bit more work and a little bit more time, but to me, it is the holy grail, because what we're about to do here is create our own platform. And what I'm talking about is your own website. Now, having your own website means that you have to actually build the website, or you can use a platform like Shopify. Now, one little thing here that a lot of people don't realize is Shopify is not traffic. Shopify is a website for e-commerce sellers. And that's a big mistake I hear a lot of people making, is they think Shopify is a platform like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. It is not. Now, when you have your own website, you do have a lot more opportunity, but there also is a lot more to learn. And I do think that everyone should learn it at some point in their journey of building out their brand, because that's really what we're doing here, is we're building out our brand, even though we're using Etsy as a channel. So the one main thing that you have to understand when building the website is you have to start driving your own traffic. And one way of doing that is to start creating content in that niche. That's why we're a big fan of building a brand inside of a niche. And really, when we're even starting on Etsy, we are always looking at the niche. So if we are in bass fishing, we are probably in sports and outdoors. So what we would do is we would put our products up on our website, but then we would create useful content for that niche. So if you were selling bass fishing stuff, well, you would probably start creating content around bass fishing. And then when people are searching for content around that topic, they are going to land on your website. And there's a lot that we can do with this traffic. And this is the exact strategy that we've been using for years, and one that we've implemented in my wife's Etsy shop, and is bringing us $1,100 in passive income without selling any more of our products. Although we are able to take this traffic now that we're getting and direct some of it over to our Etsy shop, which we'll get to that here in a second. So the very first thing that you're going to be doing when you're building out your website, of course, is putting your products on the website. And then, just like you would on Etsy or Amazon or eBay, you're going to build out that product page so it can get found in search. And then from there, people will be finding your products by doing a search on Google. Now, once you start getting traffic to this website, the other cool thing is it's going to help build your email list of people that are interested in your products or in this niche. And when you start getting this traffic, even though they might not buy on your website, you also get an opportunity to collect email addresses. And that's something that I'm big on, because once you get that email list of people that are interested in your market, well, you're able to then direct them over to your Etsy shop or wherever you want to make the sale. So think about your website as your home base. This is where you will have all of your content, all of your products, and really it's the hub for your business. Etsy will be an extension of that. It's just one revenue stream. All right. So number 4 is going to be affiliate marketing. This is where you are able to promote other people's products and get paid a commission. Now, this concept is sometimes hard for a lot of people to grasp, because they're thinking, I only want to sell my own products and that's it. But here's the deal. If you're getting people to come over to your website, which we just talked about, and you have things on that site that they might like or they might want, but there's also products that they're going to buy other places that are related to your product. Well, why not offer those products and get paid a commission? This here is something that could add an additional revenue stream without you having to sell any more of your products. And I know this firsthand. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years, and I have one product that I've been promoting for years that's earned me over $600,000. Yes, that is right, $600,000 on an affiliate offer that I promoted because I use it and I enjoy it. and it's a good product. And well, I've been paid well for that. So affiliate marketing is a huge opportunity for a lot of Etsy businesses that aren't utilizing it yet, but we will need our own traffic, which is why it goes hand in hand with your own website and your own email list. So you might be asking, where do I find affiliate products? Well, Amazon has their own affiliate program. It doesn't pay a ton in commissions, but it does add up. So I would definitely start there because you get access to their entire catalog. eBay has an affiliate program. And if you have products or brands that are really good in your niche and you are a fan of theirs, reach out to them. They probably offer an affiliate program and you can become an affiliate and earn a commission. And another place to find affiliate offers, and these are more digital, is ClickBank. And if you go there in their marketplace, all you need to do is search for your niche and you will probably find products that are related to that. And those are offers that you can promote on your website because you own it and control it. And you can also let people know on your email list. So affiliate marketing is another simple way that you can add revenue to your business without you having to create more products. You're just giving your customer more opportunities and more options to buy things from you. All right, so my fifth and final additional revenue stream, and this one here is really going to build on what we've already went over. And when this happens, let me just say, this is the holy grail. Because once again, this is something that you can add once you get your own traffic and you can start making money for people just showing up to your website. Listen to what I just said there. If people are showing up to your website, even if they don't buy, all they do is they view something on your website, you will get paid. And this exact strategy we are using right now in my wife's brand and has been generating us over $1,100 per month passively without us doing anything other than getting traffic to our website. And what I'm talking about here is ad placements on your website. This is where you will let a network add placements on your website and you will get paid per impression. Basically, every time someone loads a page, you are getting credit for that, and that will equate to you getting paid. And the way it usually works is you will get paid for every 1,000 impressions, every 1,000 page views. And right now, currently, we're getting paid between $18 and $25 per 1,000. And so $18, $25 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you start getting traffic to your website on a consistent basis, that adds up. Check this out. So here we are in the inside of my ad network account, and you can see January, $1,196.15, February, $1,162.54, and March was $1,154.83. So every single month consistently has been over $1,100. And if you look over here, this is how much we're getting paid per 1,000. So right now it's $25.80 per 1,000. So basically 25 bucks I get, even if someone doesn't buy, it's just for those ads that are being placed on my website to be displayed. Let that sink in for a minute. Someone comes to my website, they don't buy anything, an ad displays, and I get paid. Pretty sweet. And the cool thing about this is people are coming to your website, they might buy something, that'd be great. Or if they don't, you're getting paid for that impression because the ad displayed, and maybe they become an email subscriber, which I can email about upcoming promotions that are in my Etsy shop. You see how it all kind of ties together? So this is a great strategy. It's a little bit more long-term, but it's definitely worth the time and effort. And now there's one big, massive problem as to why this won't work for a lot of Etsy sellers right now. And that is because, well, they have not defined their niche. They're all over the place, or they don't feel like they can find their niche. And that's why I shot this video right here that shows you my exact process for finding profitable niches. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.